In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated alerts in Smartsheet Notifications 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up reliable notifications so the right people get the right updates at the right time without manual follow-ups. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. This works best in a modern browser, and if you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your account. If not, log in using your company's sign-in or your email and password. That part is quick. Just authenticate the way you normally do. After you're in, you'll land on your home screen. Think of home as your command center. You'll see your recent items and key spaces, so it's easy to jump into the work that matters. If you manage multiple projects, this view helps you find your sheets fast. From here, click All Workspaces. Workspaces are where teams organize related assets like sheets, reports, and dashboards. Choose the workspace that contains the sheet you want to automate. If you're not sure which one it's in, use Search to narrow things down. Next, select the specific sheet you want to automate alerts for. Automations run at the sheet level, so pick the sheet where the data changes will happen. Make sure you have the right permissions to edit the sheet. You'll need that to create or modify automations. At the top of the sheet, click Automation. You'll see a few options, but to move fast, open the automation templates. Templates give you proven, pre-built workflows so you don't have to start from scratch, and you can still customize everything. In the Templates gallery, find the section for notifications and reminders. Choose any alerts automation that matches your use case, like notifying people when rows change, when a status is updated, or when a due date is approaching. Then, click Use Template. Now tailor it to your process. Set the trigger, such as when rows are added or changed, or when a date field is reached. Add conditions so alerts only send when specific columns meet your criteria, like status equals blocked or priority is high. Choose the recipients. You can send to specific individuals or to the contacts listed in a sheet column. Adjust delivery timing, including immediate sends or once per day summaries, and confirm the time zone if you're scheduling reminders. Give the alert a clear subject line, include helpful context or key fields in the message, and keep notifications focused to prevent noise. Ensure the workflow is enabled before you exit. For peace of mind, make a quick test change on a sample row to confirm the alert fires as expected. If you don't receive it, check your conditions, permissions, or spam folder. That's it. Your automated Smartsheet alerts are live. Keep refining conditions and recipients as your project evolves, so your team always stays in the loop.